did not know my camera battery was dying, but we're just gonna go with the flow skis. Welcome back to 30 days of pouring into ourselves. And wow, I really need to make sure I have light on me when I'm doing my videos because this is such a difference. How has your day been? We are how many days in? 14 days in. That's 2 weeks. I'm so proud of you, and I know I put up 4 fingers. But moving on into the song of the day. The song of the day is Pray by Gold Haze, featuring Asar, Evan Das, and Sanite. I went to his listening party over the weekend and it was a beautiful experience. I'm gonna play a little bit for you. I'm not trying to get, you know, hurt by YouTube, so go and listen to the project. Your Pain Is Mine. It sounded beautiful. Support your local artists. Okay. Moving on into picking your brain for the day. My question for you is, if peace was a tangible object, what would it look like for you? Because everybody has their own definition of peace, and peace is intangible in my head. I don't know. If peace was tangible, people would probably be like, oh, it's $100,000 or $1 million. But what does peace look like for you if it was tangible? So that is my question to pick your brain for the day. Moving forward, we're jumping into affirmations because I don't know when my battery's gonna die, but we're jumping into some affirmations for gratitude for today, just to keep us, you know, doing what we do. And then we'll jump back into, what was the next chakra that we're supposed to do? Not throat. We'll get to it in the next video, but go ahead, you know what time it is. Take 3 deep breaths, and on the last one, make sure it is the deepest one you've taken for the day. Okay, ready? And inhale. And exhale. Second. And inhale. And exhale. Last one, make it deep. Don't play with me. And inhale. And exhale. Beautiful. Now, feel free to repeat after me or just listen. I have the freedom and power to create the life I desire. I have the freedom and power to create the life I deserve. I do not fear what could go wrong because I am excited about what can go right. We're gonna say that one again because it feels nice. I do not fear what could go wrong because I am excited about what could go right. Yes. As I focus on compassion, I naturally relate to others with love and understanding. As I focus on compassion, I naturally relate to others with love and understanding. I am learning every single day. Today, I am grateful to be able to be here and show up for myself. My battery is dying, so I'm just gonna continue on my phone. Okay, bye. Okay, we still in this. As I forgive myself, it becomes easier to forgive others. I am ready to encounter opportunities that I never thought were possible. And you know we're gonna say that one again. I am ready to encounter opportunities that I never thought were possible. I am grateful for everything, the good and the bad, because it has made me who I am today. I am grateful for everything, the good and the bad, because it has made me who I am today. day by day and thought by thought, I am creating my ideal life. Today, I choose to think positively and create amazing thoughts. I am so proud of how far I've come and am grateful that I get to travel more in my journey. Hopefully in real life too, if that's what you want. I am the architect of my life. And I build its foundation and choose its contents. I decorate my life with hope, healing, and gratitude. Each and every day, I learn new lessons, expand my awareness, and develop my abilities. I am focused on the joy of living my life in the present. And helping others where and when I can. Beautiful. Every person on this planet enriches my life in some way or another. I am thankful for all. Today, I am planting seeds of growth. And am absolutely committed to watering them every single day. I realize that every situation in life has some purpose, and I thank the universe for it. I am grateful for the situations that I was saved from to protect myself. I am grateful for the blessings that are preparing to enter my life. And so I say thank you in advance. This just feels really good. I don't know about you. I am grateful to the universe for manifesting all the wonderful things in my life so far. And I am grateful for my sense of gratitude. Because I know it is the way to joy, peace, and fulfilling my life's dreams. Every single day, I breathe in success and exhale fear, worry, doubt. Wonderful things happen for me when I express gratitude. I am so grateful for the work that I've been doing, even when I can't see immediate results. We're gonna say that one again. I am so grateful for the work that I'm doing and have done, even when I can't see the immediate results. I am honored to live the life that I live and have the heart that I have. with all the love that I have to give. I am learning more and more about myself day by day and falling in love with the process, seeing the benefits of patience, because I know that my journey is going to be worth it in the end. That feels like a good place to close. I want to thank you guys for spending some time with me today for yourself, and I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day. I know it's kind of nighttime right now, but I don't know when you're watching this, so whenever you see this, I hope you have a wonderful day and continue to treat yourself with the love that you deserve, the compassion that you would give to your neighbor, to your dog, to someone who is wounded. Give yourself some of that today, because we have our days, but we must keep going. In the spirit of love and hope, I say, may all your wishes come to fruition, and I'll see you tomorrow, beautiful one.